Hi students, now we are discussing the chapter Control and Coordination. Today's topic is Human Nervous System. Human nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. CNS, that means central nervous system, and peripheral nervous system means PNS. CNS and PNS. Human nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are the nerves that arise from brain, and spinal nerves are the nerves that arise from spinal cord. Human brain is the main coordinating center of our body. Human brain has three major parts, that are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is the most complex or specialized part of the brain. Forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Functions of forebrain. It is the thinking part of the brain. It controls the voluntary actions of our body, and it stores information, or it is the part of our brain that controls our memory, and it receives sensory impulses from various parts of the body and integrate it. And forebrain is the center associated with hunger. Midbrain. Midbrain controls involuntary actions such as change in pupil size, reflex movements of head, neck and trunk. Change in pupil size. When bright light is there, the pupil size will decrease. And then dim light is there, the pupil size will increase. The change in size of pupil is an involuntary action and it is controlled by midbrain. And the reflex movements of head, neck and trunk, it is also controlled by midbrain. Hindbrain. Hindbrain has three parts. The first part is cerebellum. Cerebellum controls posture and balance of our body. Cerebellum controls posture and balance of our body. And the precision of voluntary actions are also controlled by cerebellum. That is, picking a pen. We can easily pick one pen because the precision of such voluntary actions are controlled by cerebellum. Second part of hindbrain is medulla. Medulla controls involuntary actions such as blood pressure, salivation and vomiting. Blood pressure, salivation and vomiting, these are all involuntary actions and that are controlled by medulla of hindbrain. Third part of hindbrain is pons. It controls involuntary actions. For example, regulation of respiration. Respiration is regulated by the pons region of our hindbrain. Next, protection of brain and spinal cord. How brain and spinal cord are protected? First of all, brain. Brain is protected by a fluid-filled balloon which acts as shock absorber. There is a fluid-filled balloon-like structure and it acts as a shock absorber, and that part is enclosed in a bony structure, and that bony part is called cranium or skull, or we can call it as brain box. That is, brain is protected by one fluid-filled balloon part and one bony part, that is cranium. Cranium is also called skull or brain box. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is enclosed in vertebral column. Spinal cord is enclosed in vertebral column, or vertebral column protects the spinal cord.